Hello guys. You must have seen my flyer on Facebook, Insta, or in your some WhatsApp groups. So basically, who am I? I'm here to tell you something about myself. I am Supriya Joshi from Sangli, Maharashtra. Basically, I am a software engineer and a software tester also. Uh, and I am in my family business for last 10 years. Then you must have thinking why I have started this like coding classes for kids. So, first of all, I am a mom of an 8-year-old girl, and basically, I was searching for a good coding class for her, and then I came across various famous classes and mm, surprised with the heavy fees they are charging to us. And then I realized I should revisit my coding skills, my software engineering things, and why shouldn't I benefit it to many other kids like my girl. So then I became a certified coding teacher, and here I am. So, what is coding? You must have thinking. Everyone here is asking me this question. What is coding? So, coding is in technical thing. Coding means using a programming language to instruct the computer, like how we want to behave the computer. Each line of coding is a set of instructions for the computer. And in easy language, if I have to tell you what is coding, do you play games? In games, there is a character. When we click on it, it jumps out or it runs away. So back end of that, what is the character supposed to do when you click particular button, particular key? That is coding. So the next question is why kids should learn coding at this age? Are they able to understand? Yeah, of course they do, because learning coding is like a learning new language, and as science says, our young kids can learn languages faster and easier than adults because they have their developing brains for made for learning, And what will your kid get after my workshop is this will help kids to develop the skills that will benefit them in the schools also, and the workshop will help them in building logic building is the most important thing in these days, and kids will learn to solve any problem like step by step solution. The algorithm thing, the programming thing, it gives us that. Okay. And the most important question is why you should choose me and my workshops. So I'm like you guys, I was in trouble finding a good class for my girl in affordable price. So here I am to benefit it to most of the kids. My mission is to teach 1 lakh kids in pocket friendly ways. So come and join the workshop, and I'm here to solve your queries on WhatsApp. You can ask anything for your kids enrollment process. Thank you. Here I am showing you one game for an example. So when I hit the green flag here, the eggs will start gliding towards the bird, and we have to make the bird jump by pressing spacebar. Okay, and if the bird touches the egg, the game will stop. Okay, easy and simple game. So let's see. Oh, I will start again. Yeah, done. Score was 4. Okay.